It's a bit dark, but who cares? Anyway, this is Twix, which is one of my favorite candies. And this is Twix cookie dough. Got it at Walmart. This is the share size, so 4 bars it says. This is the only size I saw. But anyway, before I saw that, I was like, oh, sorry, I think I saw a commercial or something for it. And I didn't really care after that. I was like, oh, order. Anyway. That was upside down. Try again. Looks and smells like a regular Twix. Because it tastes like a regular Twix, but when you bite down, you can almost feel the, if you usually eat Twix, so there's a difference on like the way it feels when you bite down. Oh, there's a bit of like a salty edge to it. Kind of like how when you eat a pretzel and you hit the part with the salt on it, you get like that wave of saltiness for a minute. Not in a bad way. Okay, I don't know what to think of that. It's almost like there's too many chocolate chips in it. I'm trying to bite like the chocolate off the top. Maybe scrape some more upward. Doesn't it taste or feel like what you think cookie dough would? If you've had it, you know? Well, it's not gooey or sticky. Like, it pairs really well together. The piece was about to fall off all the chocolate. It's really good. Like, it really pairs well. But, like, it kind of reminds me of cookie dough, but it kind of doesn't, because when I think of cookie dough, I think of, like, chocolate chip cookie dough. And I think of, like, sticky texture-wise, you know. This is interesting. Really good. I would get that again. 8.5 out of 10. Like, Oscar, reviews, bye.